Some say this dish is a miracle, but I'll tell you, it's simply an act of cod. Stay tuned. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. First thing we need to do is get our fish going. Right now, my Yoder YS640S pellet grill is preheated to 225 degrees Fahrenheit with alder wood pellets. Alder wood is my go-to for fish. I don't know how much longer we're going to have it because, as we well know, alder wood comes from the forests of Alderaan, which sadly is no more.
Know the power of the dark side.
And if you watch several of my videos, know that joke never ever gets tired with me. So, I have my cod fillets out here. The difference between the two, they only had two fresh at the seafood counter at my grocery store. The others are frozen, so that's why they have the different shapes and different looks, but we'll prepare them the same. First, we're gonna hit them with olive oil for two reasons. One, so my seasoning will stick. Two, so they don't stick to my wire rack, which I'm gonna put into the smoker. Now, I'm going to use Spiceology's Greek Freak seasoning on this. That's the Greek element, besides the tzatziki sauce. Then I'm going to hit them with a little bit of salt and pepper. We'll pat that down, do the same to the other side. You like this cool bottle that not only pours but sprays? There's a link down below for it. Speaking of that, down below you'll also find a link for the full recipe. It'll take you right to galleyofthesun.com where you can see it. We're all seasoned up. These are going to go in the smoker for about 45 minutes. The main thing is you want to make sure you bring them up to at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, but I think we're going to hit that easily in that 45 minutes. Don't want to overcook them too much and make them too dry, but you do want to give them time to soak up that incredible alderwood smoke. Let's get them on. All right, gonna do a little bit of cleanup, then we'll get to making that Chipotle Tzatziki Sauce. We'll see you then. As the cod is smoking away, let's get that Chipotle Tzatziki Sauce together. First of all, into our bowl goes Greek yogurt, and then our cucumber. We'll lop that end off. We will put down a towel, and then we'll get to grating. Looks like the right amount to me. Now we shall wrap that up good and tight and squeeze as much water as we can out of it. Then it goes into the bowl. Now we will chop up some fresh dill and add that. We'll add garlic, a little bit of lemon juice, pinch of salt and pepper, a little of our Greek Freak seasoning, and some diced chipotles and adobo. We shall whisk all that together. Give it a quick taste. OMG LOL. Now this is going to go into the refrigerator to set up better for us. So we'll see you back when it's time to pull that fish off and get some judgment. See you then. Alrighty, I don't know what the heck the deal was, but these took way longer than the catfish, like twice as long. They've been in the smoker for about an hour and a half. These two fillets just hit 145. The other ones are still about 10 degrees shy, so they're still cooking, but I'm hungry, and our judge is hungry. So let's get some judgment from Rowan. Greek smoked cod with Chipotle Tzatziki sauce. Sauce is going to have a little bit of a bite.
Oh, damn. I want that in like a fish sandwich. It's so good. That's so good. It has a nice spice to it while not being too much of a bite. And the sauce on top really kind of blends in with the cod flavor that can be a little bit too fishy with someone. It really cuts it down. And I like the
Greek seasoning?
the Greek seasoning.
All right, there you go. It's a winner. Give this a try. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Till we see you next time, fair winds and fallen seas.